Hey guys, so I went back and forth with Converse in regards to the issue with the rear heel of both sneakers falling apart, and there's some very, very sad news. Today they want me to destroy the sneakers before they'll replace these under the 2-year shoe warranty that they have. So what I have to do is cut the tongue off as far down as I can, and once I cut the tongue off, I have to send them proof, so I'm assuming that they're going to want to see the back of the tongue with the numbers on the back, and as well as pictures of both sneakers with the tongue cut off. Again, these are sneakers that I've worn only a couple dozen times at the very most. Again, they're pretty much in brand new shape other than a little browning on the white soles, the edge. So I'm assuming that this is a common issue with the back. It actually gets quite uncomfortable because it starts bunching up around the edge. And again, I've done another video on this. I'll leave a link below. Alright, here it goes. The reason they want you to destroy the shoes is just proof that you've actually destroyed them, so you can't resell them or reuse them. You know what? I can't. I'm going to have to get somebody else to do it. Thank you, Converse, for making me destroy my sneakers. They were my favorite. Rest in peace.